What up? Got a new property. We're gonna knock down. Looks real simple and easy. These guys will be credit card on file. And if you ain't, check me out. It's Boneyard Lawn Service. So that's what we got. It's inside the gate. We'll get you around the front. Let you check it out. This is what the front looks like right here. The only part in the front that really might be some work is when we get down by the ditch, which is right here. But I'll clean it up, make it look good. Get you guys some footage.
Start smoking.
Alright guys, I promise I've been trying to get you guys the videos. But sometimes you got some stuff that just pop up in your personal life that causes you to pay a little bit more attention to it than you would pay to the business. And it's just the facts of life. Some things like that just happen, but steady out here, still grinding. Gotta figure out a way to still solve the problems at the home and still solve the problems in the business. Problem solving, that's what you become out here. You become a problem solver. And the quicker and better you learn how to solve those problems and not let those problems get to you, distract you, get you down and out, better off you're gonna be. And this right here, this reflects one of those days when I say I was letting problems at the home affect me out here in the field. So I actually estimated this job, but I way underestimated. If you go look to the left side of the screen, you'll see a big field on the other side of that gate. Well, when I first estimated this, I didn't account for behind the gate. So the price I gave the guy was the price based on everything you see him being mowed in the video. And basically, man, I charged what I had charged him that day. I shot him an extra price. He said he had somebody else that would do it for a cheaper price. Maybe he comes back. If he don't, he don't. Sometimes you lose one and you gain two out here. I've seen it several times. So, man, find a way to leave the work stuff at work and leave the home stuff at home. Find a way to separate it. And trust me, it's very necessary that you find a way to separate it. Because you don't want the things you're doing out here in the field to start affecting your business. And once it gets to affecting your business, it gets to affecting the quality of work that you do. And I don't see myself wanting 1,000 yards. I'd rather have 100 quality yards that I got instead of having a whole bunch of quantity. And by the way you can get those good yards is keep the quality of the work up. So don't be affected. Let your days get affected, and it starts affecting you out here in this field, man. So watch a little bit more of this, man, and I'll get a little bit into it. But check out this property. It would have been a very nice property for me to land. It would have. And like I say, I just let basic little problems that I was having at home bleed off into my regular day. So
Starksville.